Nice donut.
Mama.
Let's go for a walk. Those are ducks that you hear. Did you see a duck? Those are ducks.
Can I go see them?
Yes, I'm facing my fear. I'm going over a bridge.
That smells good.
I've made it this far. Am I doing good, Triana? Let's see where those duckies are. There they are.
Let's go. Okay, Mama, look.
You want a hug? Oh, thanks. Look, there's more ducks. There's two there.
A lot of ducks.
And there's lots more way over there.
Hey, Mama.
Oh great, we have to go back over it. I just got off of it. Here we go again.
Hi, Dee. Hi,
You want to see? How about we go over the bridge and see some more ducks?
Okay.
Okay. Look at all the ducks.
Mama.
Yep.
Duck.
Do you see the ducks? Look at them. Look. Do you see them? And there's some swimming. Is there any on this side?
No.
Oh, I think they're gone.
Yep, let's go. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. My dear. Quack, 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 quack. My dear. Oh, my dear.
There they go.
Hey. It's calling back. Quack, 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 quack. Bucky.
Oh, you found the park.
Bucky.
Let's go. Is that good? Hey, Triana. Building the castle?
Yeah.
Hi, Alex.
You like it?
I love it.
It's a sandcastle.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Aw, you're so nice.
Hi, Daddy. Look at my castle.
You should find a stick and put it on the top for a flag.
Let me just finish off.
Okay. Alex, love you.
Look at that. I win.
Did you find a stick, Alex? Howdy, Alex.
Howdy, Mama.
Howdy, Triana.
Howdy, Mama.
Alex. Say howdy, Daddy.
Howdy, Daddy.
Say yeehaw.
I see.
You can see it. Say yeehaw.
I see.
Oh, fine. Blue eyes.
Nope.
Can you love me?
Look at this, Mama.
Whoa. Be careful. Alex. Say love you.
Did it. You want to see me go down the big slide, Daddy?
I'm sure he does. Go for it.
Do you want to watch me at the bottom? Or do you want to watch me just right there?
Just right there.
Okay.
Hurry.
Why?
Battery's running out.
Okay. My turn.
Go for it.
Hello,
Whee!
Mama.
That's a slow slide.
No, I just want to go on tight. I thank you.
Oh, are you gonna go down the little slide?
Hi, Mama. Hi,
Come here.
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy, look at me.
Hold on.
Daddy.
Just
I'm running around.
go, Alex. You're going
Can't go
backwards?
anymore. Daddy.
Hold on. Go, Alex. Whee!
Can't do it.
Go.
Wee. Jay?
Slide. Where are you?